And well, it's the last day of the Paris Games as India's campaign at the Olympics comes to a close. India has won 6 medals, 5 bronze medals and 1 silver. It's also the closing ceremony today. My colleague Rika Roy is joining us live from Paris. So Rika, 6 medals, 1 medal less than what we had in our kitty in Tokyo. We also had a gold last time around. How do you see India's performance? I mean, all of those who've come back victorious or otherwise are all champions, but clearly, there are glaring gaps in our investment and training as far as the Olympic Games are concerned.
Vedant, I don't agree with you when you say that there are gaps in training and investment. If you look at the last Olympic cycle, the investment has been a lot more than what it has been in the previous Olympic cycle.
Sure.
Yes, we did not hit the 7 mark, but and I wouldn't say that our performance has been exceptional, but our performance has not been bad. It has been a good, credible performances. Some of them have been near misses. 4th place finishes. We have 6 4th place finishes in this edition of the tournament. Vinesh Phogat's medal was missed. If Vinesh Phogat had got her medal, then we would have been at the 7 mark. 7 was the best ever showing of India in any games. If you take into account since 1980 Rome Olympics till about Athens, for those 24 years, India only won 3 medals. In London, India won 6, and now in Paris, India is going back home with 6 medals. I wouldn't say it's an exceptional performance, but it is a good performance that needs to be, I think from here, we need to improve. We need to get better with each games. We need to find a way how to convert those near misses into medals. And India definitely needs to address the sad reality of 4th place finishes. We are now below Pakistan in medal tally. Pakistan is in the 62nd place, and India ends in the 71st place in the Paris Olympic Games. But if you talk about India as a nation, in 2020 there was a study on India's primary education. So we were at 33rd place when it came to India's primary education. India is not a sporting nation. So finishing 71st in the Olympic Games is not really a bad measure of where we are or how much we have invested. Of course, our athletes are immensely talented. They can do much, much better. The best thing about this Games, I would say, is Manu Bhaker medaling twice. Ever since Norman Pritchard in 1900, 124 years ago, no athlete has been able to medal twice in any edition of the Games, and that was in pre-independence era. This was independent India, and an athlete and a woman athlete, particularly from independent India, medaling twice at the Games. Also, it isn't really an Olympics coming to life for India till the time hockey team wins a medal. So this time around, after Tokyo, 41 years after a gap of 41 years, they had medaled in Tokyo.
Right.
Now they have medaled in back-to-back games in Tokyo and Paris as well.